guys, it's LizandKatt. We just now got done making our new video. We made this video thinking of Balloon Shop, you know, with Owen Rogers and his friends Thomas and Josh and all those fun people. And we really like Balloon Shop, so
if you like this video, subscribe to us.
Yeah, like
LizandKatt.
it, you know, do all that fun stuff. So, what are you doing?
Nothing. Just some old-fashioned bird watching.
So, you know, one time I was on this trip to what's this place called? Like a really long plane ride. So, you know, I would get the barf bags and I would tear little holes in the bottom. You know, I never really did any of that stuff until after I watched this one comedian. I mean, he like makes my entire life. I mean, I never thought I would do that on an airplane, but I'd like to see someone make a video of it and post it on YouTube or something.
I don't care! Go away! You're scaring away the birds! Hey! Boss, quit that yelling!
What?
Sorry, we won't yell. Sorry, it was my fault that he was young. I promise I won't tell any more stories.
What'd you say?
Sorry, we won't yell. Sorry. Any more stories? It's my pet. Sorry.
I mean it, you dogs! We said we're sorry and we'll quit yelling! Oh, I said quit yelling! I said quit yelling! Oh, you both!
You want to try to do a blooper? Well, that would have been a blooper just now. I don't care. We gotta make this video. Yeah. Send her home.
We're set!
Yeah.
Meet me over there.
Alright. Which one?
This one?
There's people over here. Oh my god, they're shooting a gun.